We'll start off with the print tags in this. Here you can put the yes, no, or just leave it blank, and then it will default to yes. An orderable field can be yes or no or blank. If it is blank, it will default to no. The serial number tracking, you can enter yes, no, or leave it blank. If you leave it blank, it will default to no. The eligible for commission field, this includes sales of this item when calculating commission. Next, you have your QuickBooks Cost of Goods Sold account. This is used for integrating with your QuickBooks financial software. So you have your cost of goods sold, your sales, and your inventory asset account. The next one is a manufacturer account. That's if you have a manufacturer for your product that you want to put in that field. And this is eligible for rewards accounts. So if you have a rewards program, you can enter yes, no, or leave it blank. And if you leave it blank, that means no, that they're not eligible for rewards. The last one here in this section is the weight, and that's if you ship your items, you can enter the weight. And the last fields that we have are the vendor fields. These are the vendors that you purchase from that are separate from your primary vendor. So with these fields, you can have a second vendor name, they can have a UPC number, they can have an alternate lookup number, and an order cost. You have your third vendor name, your fourth one, and then your fifth one. And the last one is a sync to mobile. If you click yes on this, it will create a check mark in the sync to mobile, and you can sell those items that you select yes to on your mobile device, as long as you have a subscription to Intuit credit cards. And that completes our demonstration on how to fill out the Excel spreadsheet for the Data Import Wizard.